And so for the most distant galaxies, we're looking back in time.
A study out today says that growing light pollution is making it harder than ever to see the stars.
Stars light up our night sky with a romantic luster, but in a dark turn of events, about 700 trillion of our stars have suddenly vanished. As you might expect, scientists were terribly puzzled, but that was only the beginning. New objects are now emerging from deep space that we must also figure out quickly. Who or what is behind the mysterious disappearance of 700 trillion stars in our universe? Is there a connection between disappearing stars and these unknown objects from deep space? Join us in this video as we delve into the mysterious events unfolding in space as scientists warn that over 700 trillion stars have suddenly vanished. With something emerging from the dark, we will unveil the potential reasons behind the vanishing stars and look into the emergence of this unknown. See something that looks like a star in an old image, and then you never see it again. It has taken humanity millennia to grasp concepts like science and mathematics, which aid us in deciphering our role in the universe and the fundamental nature of Earth, even though the core remains shrouded in mystery. One of these foundational principles underscores the idea that matter cannot simply vanish, it must transform. Consider, for instance, an individual vanishing after plunging into molten lava. Vanishing is only the last phase of the scientific event. The matter undergoes a profound alteration before transitioning into a different form. Similarly, when a star explodes and disappears, its constituent matter scatters throughout the cosmos, enduring in an alternate form. We bring up this point because a baffling enigma has surfaced in the depths of outer space, one that currently lacks a definitive solution: the disappearance of stars from our night sky. At first glance, this might not strike as particularly remarkable given the vast expanse of the universe, where the abrupt disappearance of a star can be attributed to various factors such as reaching the culmination of its life cycle or succumbing to the gravitational pull of a colossal entity like a black hole. However, what makes this situation bewildering is that the vanishing stars are not isolated occurrences. They are numerous, numbering in the trillions. Recent measurements indicate that more than 700 trillion stars have inexplicably gone missing, leaving astronomers bewildered as to how they could have abruptly blinked out of existence. While the disappearance of a few stars can be accounted for in a universe of such scale, the vanishing of hundreds, especially those not nearing the end of their life cycles or threatened by external forces, presents an entirely different problem. Fortunately, some dedicated scientists are diligently working to unravel this cosmic mystery. Beatrice Villaroel of the Nordic Institute for Theoretical Physics in Sweden sheds light on their efforts, saying, "VASCO, or the Vanishing and Appearing Sources During a Century of Observations project, is our endeavor." She further says, "We are intrigued by various vanishing objects, but our ideal pursuit is to identify a star that has maintained a constant presence in the sky for as long as human memory and available data can recall, only to vanish without a trace suddenly. Even the most advanced telescopes failed to reveal any remnants. It is essential to recognize that this isn't merely a whimsical pursuit. The VASCO project has been active since 2017 and has garnered considerable attention." Villaroel elaborates that the project has garnered interest from astronomers across diverse fields, including experts in active galactic nuclei, stellar physics, and SETI scientists, each driven by their unique motivations to participate. The team acknowledges that certain aspects of the universe remain unpredictable, given our limited ability to catalog every celestial object with absolute precision due to vast distances. Nevertheless, they maintain confidence that discovering a specific type of star suddenly disappearing from the sky could yield groundbreaking insights. Villaroel emphasizes this potential, that while they understand the existence of variable stars, their changes typically occur over a few years at most. The quest is to locate a star that transitions from unwavering stability to complete disappearance, a phenomenon that has not yet been documented. Such a discovery has the potential to unveil new realms of physics. Perhaps you're wondering, is it truly possible for a star to simply vanish without warning? The answer is yes. For instance, a star was under astronomers' monitoring for a significant period, spanning 2 decades until 2019. Their fascination with this star was partly due to its dazzling crystal blue radiance. Then suddenly, it ceased to exist. Andrew Allen, a doctoral student specializing in astrophysics at Trinity College Dublin, meticulously examined and re-examined the data. The star's immense distance made it impossible for telescopes to observe it directly. Therefore, astronomers sought the distinct signatures of these luminous blue stars on the light emanating from their parent galaxy. Astonishingly, these telltale traces had disappeared during that period. The leading theory suggested that the star had undergone a supernova explosion, leading to its transformation into a black hole. However, there were no distinctive indications of a supernova occurrence, or the expected aftermath. Neither was there any observable black hole. Considering the time gap between observations, it was extremely implausible that such a dramatic event had escaped notice. As emphasized by Leah Arkavi, an astronomer affiliated with Tel Aviv University, if indeed the star transitioned into a black hole devoid of any supernova activity, it represents a scenario of vanishing without the customary spectacle, a phenomenon astronomers have been seeking answers to for a considerable duration. With this, Leah suggests that some stars may transition directly from their dying phase to becoming black holes without the anticipated spectacular supernova explosion. There have been hints of such occurrences dating back to 2009 when a star that had drawn the attention of numerous telescopes appeared to be approaching a climax. The star later transformed suddenly into a black hole before scientists could fully comprehend the transformation. While definitive proof remains elusive, this event left astronomers perplexed. Equally significant is the collaborative effort of multiple research teams, including those previously mentioned, to compile comprehensive catalogs of stars and their characteristics. These catalogs enable astronomers to view stars online alongside others and compare data extensively. The results have been both promising and astonishing. As one researcher noted, they have discovered a multitude of short-lived transients that appear in one image and then vanish, constituting most of our findings thus far. However, there remain other phenomena that defy immediate classification. They examined some of these brief transients, and ruled out possibilities like M-dwarf flares or nova. Expanding on this, a common notion among some astronomers is that the disappearance of these stars may be attributed to the way light traverses the vast expanse of the universe. Visualize a light source in your room and imagine walking away from it until it vanishes. Now extend that distance across galaxies. It raises the question of how we can perceive anything at all. The answer is that the myriad light rays emitted by these stars take an extraordinarily long time to reach us. Even when they finally arrive, they mingle with our sun's rays, enhancing their visibility in our night sky. The light we perceive is, in fact, many, many years old. In the case of our sun, its constant emission of light keeps it visible every day. However, even though it's relatively close, the sun's rays still require approximately 8 minutes to reach Earth. When applied to stars located light years away, the age of the light we observe becomes evident. Why is this relevant? It's simple. The apparent instantaneous blinking out of stars might result from the staggering age of the light we perceive. While it seems immediate to us, the star could have ceased to exist long ago, and we are only just realizing its absence. This also ties into the concept of stars undergoing prolonged periods of brightness, followed by fading to the point where we can no longer detect them. It's an intricate notion, and though unproven, these inquiries must be posed to uncover the truth behind these phenomena. Of course, some are inclined to explore the most extreme possibilities within these theories. For astronomers, the most notable theory concerning vanishing stars involves extraterrestrial beings. You might wonder, how could extraterrestrial beings make stars vanish? The answer lies not in causing stars to disappear but in the possibility that they might use these celestial giants for their objectives. Are you familiar with the concept of a Dyson sphere? Currently relegated to the realm of science fiction, It envisions advanced alien civilizations or exceedingly rare circumstances on Earth constructing a specialized megastructure around a star. This megastructure serves as a means to capture and exploit the star's energy and power on an enormous scale, effectively transforming the star into a colossal energy source, or even a formidable weapon. This is similar to the depiction in Star Wars: The Force Awakens, where the Starkiller base harnessed the star's power to obliterate several planets of the Republic. However, the possibility of such an explanation faces substantial hurdles. First, the existence of extraterrestrial life remains unconfirmed. Moreover, realizing a fully functional Dyson sphere, even around a relatively small star, would require extensive time and extraordinary technological sophistication. When you consider applying this across more than 700 trillion stars as a monumental galactic endeavor, its likelihood is highly questionable. Nevertheless, this concept still garners believers. So, where does this leave us? The answer is that we are left without answers. We know that something is transpiring in the cosmos leading to the disappearance of stars from our observations and views. It cannot be dismissed as a random occurrence, as we have detected numerous missing stars. The crucial question remains: what is causing so many stars to vanish within a relatively brief time frame? This is why numerous individuals and organizations from various disciplines are dedicated to unraveling this mystery. Solving these questions could provide us with a deeper understanding of the universe. If similar phenomena occur in the future, we may be better equipped to discern their causes promptly. While the mysteries of star disappearance linger, something new has emerged deep within the cosmos. Scientists have recently discovered immense voids in space that exceed our initial assumptions, extending to a scale encompassing the solar system and the Milky Way. The universe is rife with void, with galaxies and matter clustering in a web-like pattern separated by vast empty spaces. These voids comprise over 80% of the observable universe, and their existence has long intrigued astronomers. New discoveries indicate the presence of voids far larger than previously known, spanning distances of millions of light years. Recent findings suggest that these massive voids could reshape our understanding of the universe and its formation. While the discovery of the Bode's void was groundbreaking, the latest research from the cold spot region is even more compelling. The cold spot, located in the constellation of Eridanus, exhibits a temperature anomaly in the cosmic microwave background radiation. Initially believed to be a statistical anomaly, new studies reveal it to be one of the most extensive voids ever observed. These voids could provide significant insights into the universe's large-scale structure and its expansion. The emergence of these voids may offer answers to some of the questions about the missing stars, suggesting that we are on the brink of uncovering new cosmic truths.